The buy and sell or buy and flip calculator is one of the cornerstone calculators of the HIT product. It's located in the General tab underneath the header, second from the left. Click here, and you open one of the two core calculators in your decision to buy, and will identify your bid parameters, and that's the goal of this calculator. Let me go through it with you. You'll notice that it doesn't really look like a calculator, and that is so that we're not flooding you with detail as you're trying to make a decision. You can click through to it, which I'll show you in a moment, but the bottom lines are showing up here. The first row is on MLS Properties is the list price, and of course that's dictated by the listing agent. The next one is, what are you going to sell it for? And so we've given you some options here. First, you can put in the ARV, which in this case is 221. You can put in the market average, which is 198, or you can put in any number you choose. For the purposes of just showing you functions, I'm going to just go back to ARV. The next row is cost to sell. There are only 4 categories of cost when it comes to purchasing a property with the purpose of reselling it. What does it cost you to purchase it? What does it cost you to fix it? We've got all the libraries down here. What does it cost you to hold it? What does it cost you to sell it? There are no other costs. So once those are defined, now you're in a position to talk about your profit. So if we assume that this property costs $14,000 total, and you want to achieve a profit of, let's say, $55,000, then the property is listed for $185,000. Your bid would have to be at $147,500, not to exceed $151,979. Now, obviously, this is a pretty big profit, but you can get down and dirty. You can go down, and it will tell you at every level of your ROI and the corresponding profit what your bid parameters are. And that's the goal of this product, is to provide you with where you need to bid. So if you have everything, you can say, here's my best case, and you're done. So we hope you liked this. We'd love to have some feedback. In the meantime, thanks for your business and thanks for using HIT.